Shri Bhagwati presents Shrink Sleeve Applicator with Electric Tunnel. A shrink sleeve applicator with an electric tunnel is a machine used for applying shrink sleeves or labels to containers, bottles, or products and then shrinking the labels into place using heat from an electrically powered shrink tunnel. This process is commonly used in the packaging and labeling industry for branding, product information, and tamper-evidence sealing. Shrink sleeve applicators with electric tunnels are versatile and efficient machines, commonly used in industries like food and beverage, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and more. They provide a cost-effective and visually appealing way to label products while also offering tamper-evident and security benefits. The electric tunnel's controlled heat ensures that the labels conform to the product's shape accurately and securely. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.